Welcome everyone, it's Rob. Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. And this update is for Monday, November 28th, 2022. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I hope it was a really nice weekend for you. Great times to be had with family for sure for us this weekend. So with that, let's get ahead and jump right in, keeping in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. Or if you like what you see, make sure you follow along the various social platforms. I will leave links in the description down below that you can click on each of those and go check them out. All right, so we have no economic reports to focus on today. None coming out, at least none that are of a moderate or a high importance level. So let's go look at the futures instead as our starting point. So the S&P 500, the ES is down 28 points. The Dow is down 180. NASDAQ's down another 80. RUT's down 12, almost 13. Bitcoin is back under 16K again at 15,900. Ethereum is 1150, we'll call it. Gold is up scant to 1770. And crude, whoa, $74 a barrel, under $74 a barrel. So really nice move to the downside on crude. And all of it coming under China's woes of COVID restrictions again and less usage. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump back into our main screen. And I'm going to bring up the Omega chart setups for us, where I already have a filter with all of our candidates already identified in there. So Apple is the very first one. They're down $2.55 right now to 145.5. Excuse me, 145.5. So we're down below that 146.25. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 147. We're going to call that aggressive, or we're going to look for a bear call spread above 149, right? Which I like a lot better. It gives us a little more wiggle room in there. Or a long option. In this case, meaning a put, right? I trade Apple, so I'm okay with that. If you know who they are, awesome. If you are not familiar with Apple and how they work, this would not be what I would do if I were you. All right, then we're looking at EOG. As far as upgrades come out, someone came out and said, yes, we are maintaining our status on EOG. It's dropped them down $3.34 on that news. Not the biggest driving news, so caution. It all is going to come down to, can we get a decent position on the chart? All right, so this puts us down at 139. So right down below, it's down below our 8. Down below our 21, but up and down below, no, actually it's not down below. It's 139.30, just at that 139.27 level. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 144, and we're going to call that aggressive. News is not great as far as driving it, so let me go ahead and do it as an aggressive entry, which means less contracts. All right, here's the full picture on First Solar, and they've got a downgrade from Morgan Stanley. So that has driven them down about $5 to 166.25 right now. So we're just above that 165.27. So guys, look at this. Bad news, downgrade. It put them above the moving average still. We're going to say next on First Solar. I love the downgrade. I love Morgan Stanley as a company that did the downgrade, but it's not been a strong enough news to drive it down. If you wanted to be aggressive and go above 170 with a bear call spread, awesome, go for it. Next, we have INTU. They also had a maintain rating come out on them. They are up $4.83 today. They were overall in a bearish bias. It puts them at 397. So that news keeps them in a neutral bias below that 401.69 level. So what we're going to look at here is a bull put spread below the 8 moving average, which is 390. And we're going to do it as aggressive, not my greatest or favoritist setup. PDD is next. PDD is up $9.84. This is on earnings. Woo! I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Say, I like it. Bullish pattern. This drives us up to 75.5. So we are well above this 72.75 level right here. 65 to 72 is 73 is 5 and 3 is 8. I don't need to fib it there. 73 to 82 is 9. I don't need a fib it in there. Okay, so if we're sitting at 75 in Jingle, we're going to look at a bull put spread below 72. I like it. And then you've got TWLO. Last one. They got a downgrade today. They're down $1.31 to 47.25. Let me bring that in a little bit. A little easier to see. Again, bearish news. The market on this stock is bearish pattern. I like all of that tying together. Those become more of my favorite setups out there. Right? So we're sitting right now at 47.25. 41 to 50 is $9. All right, I need to add a negative 136 and a 118 in here. So we've got to split our levels in half. And it makes sense once it's there. Now we look again, we're at 47.25. So we're still above that 45.5, which is support. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above 50. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Have a great trading day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Take care, folks. See you then. Bye for now.